Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Artie with CoinCasso, and in this episode, we go over the top news articles written in the last 24 hours so that you guys can stay up to date on everything going around in the cryptocurrency world. Bitcoin saw a very flat trading day over the last 24 hours. Let's get into the news and see if there's any future predictions on an increase in price. This first article is titled, Bitcoin hits highest level since Black Thursday amid halving buzz. Bitcoin's rally is gathering pace with a mining reward halving now just 14 days away. The top cryptocurrency by market value rose to $7,800 early on Monday to hit its highest level since March 12th, dubbed Black Thursday, when prices fell from $7,950 to $4,700 as the coronavirus pandemic crashed most markets. At press time, Bitcoin is changing hands nearly $7,700, representing nearly 100% gain on its lowest of $3,867 registered on March 13th. While the major part of the recovery rally could be associated with the uptick in the S&P 500 and the global stock markets, the recent move from April 21st low of 6,800 to 7,800 looks to have been fueled by factors other than moving equities. Bitcoin looks to have partly decoupled from the equity market due to the bullish narrative surrounding the upcoming halving. The rally is being sustained by rapidly approaching halving. So in comparison, as of Friday, the S&P 500 was up nearly 30% from its low of $2,192 that it hit on March 24th, down 17% from its record high. While the recovery rally looks impressive on the surface, the breadth of the move is quite narrow, meaning the rally has been fueled by an uptick in a few heavyweight stocks. So if you guys don't know, the S&P 500 is a whole index fund indexing the top 500 companies. So even though a majority of them aren't moving or actually going down, some of the big companies are actually going up, which is causing the average to increase. I'm really curious what's going to happen with this upcoming Bitcoin halving, if prices are going to go down or if prices are going to go up. We've already seen that Bitcoin has actually decoupled from the S&P 500, so it's on its own trajectory now and has no correlation with that. And on to our second article. Ether Trounces Bitcoin as network sees surge in stablecoins. Ether's price might be getting a boost from the crypto industry's version of the dash for cash. The coronavirus crisis has sent investors in both digital and traditional markets scrambling for US dollars. Seen as one of the best assets to park money during a deflationary recession, in traditional markets, that means selling risky assets like stocks, junk bonds, and developing country currencies, and parking the proceeds in cash. In the digital asset market, there has been a flurry of demand for Tether and other dollar-linked stablecoins, many of them atop the Ethereum blockchain network, led by Tether USDT. The total outstanding amount of stablecoins surged this month to nearly 9 billion from less than 6 billion in early March. It seems like every time there's an economic hiccup, people take their money out of the market as a safekeeping mechanism and put it into other forms of currency like gold, silver, or under their mattress for safekeeping. And because cryptocurrencies are so easy to purchase, USDT is going to be your best bet. Then once you hold USDT, trading to other cryptocurrencies, just a blink of an eye. Now, if you don't know what Tether is, please go watch our other video where we explain in depth USDT and other US-backed stablecoins. But basically, it's a cryptocurrency that's pegged to the US dollar. So for every USDT coin that is in circulation, the company that runs it holds $1 US in their accounts. And on to our last article of the day, which is Samsung adds Tron Dapps to Galaxy Store. Samsung has added support for Tron-based Dapps to its proprietary Galaxy Store, granting smartphone and tablet users in Europe and the US access. Tron said on Monday, Samsung smartphone and tablet users would be able to download these dApps from a dedicated section of the Galaxy Store. On-chain games such as Blockchain Cuties and Super Player would be available from the store on Monday, with other dApps stated to be added in the near future. Now, if you don't know what a dApp is, it's a decentralized application. Most of these are actually games where you can play in cryptocurrency or different ERC20 tokens. Basically like every other game, except you use cryptocurrencies instead of fiat currencies. It's kind of cool that we're seeing all of these things slowly incorporate, like blockchains and dApps, and even other countries are picking up a digital currency to replace their fiat currency like China. It's a slow progression, but I think we're going to move in the direction of cryptocurrencies to lead the future in currency. And that's it for the news, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I hope you got some value out of it. I hope you feel up to date on all current events in cryptocurrency. Please don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you tomorrow for the prices and the news.